Hey tubers, Ghost Full 86 here at the river with the freighter Missisagi, and we have two other ones on this beautiful day. We have one coming down and two going up. We have the Joseph H. Thompson with the pusher tug Laura L. Van Ekkevoort going up, and then we have the Algoma Conveyor. Wow. And then in the far distance, if you can see the top of the pilot house, there's another freighter at the dock unloading coal. Sadly, I don't know the name of that freighter, but I do know the name of the other two, and the Missisagi, the third. And they're passing each other. Unfortunately, I'm zoomed in as far as I can get on the Joseph H. Thompson and the Algoma Conveyor. And then we got the Missisagi. Might hear a horn honk as the Algoma Conveyor and Missisagi pass each other. And then we got the Joseph H. Thompson in the very far distance. Zoom out a little bit. Well, the Algoma Conveyor and Missisagi are about to pass each other, port side to port side. Here we go. There we go. Now we can see the Missisagi a little bit better. And then the Algoma Conveyor. Okay. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye, and enjoy the video of the 3 freighters. Missisagi, Joseph H. Thompson, and Algoma Conveyor, with unknown freighter in the distance. Okay, goodbye once again.